I've made sort of a bad kit, but not that bad. I've got a Tajima utility knife, basic automotive maintenance kit. A little flathead for J-nuts and clips and such. KTC wire brush with some heat shrink. Old Fuller Japan KTC super quality pipe wrench, 8-inch. Companion combo wrench with a Danaher socket adapter for a sort of low profile breaker bar. Happy Home West Germany needle nose pliers with cutters. Craftsman locking extension with a universal. Top Japan open ratchet. Strong. Some adjustables. Some whatchamacallit pliers with a Hours brand. Never seen these before. I can't find anything about that company. This is a Mokuba Japan angled chisel, strikeable, and a little bronze hammer I modified to have a rounded. That's all for now.